If you see the working capital profile of the company is worsening, you may say worsening, but I think it's the right thing to do because inflation is back and you need to build profits for the future. So they are building, maturing or aging inventories. And again, as the leaders, as the keys of the block, they are investing more in advertising and promotions. So they have increased the investment, the expenditure in relation to sales to 18%, while you see other players reducing from 16, 17 to 15, even 14 or 12. They cannot catch up. So they are behaving like the leaders. So